No matter what walk of life you're from, we all share a common need: to feel safe. And at 29 ounces fully loaded, the new Mossberg MC2 Compact is your double-stack 9mm everyday carry that's heavy on features, yet light in hand, with a capacity that says you are serious about your safety. At the range or by your side, it points easily, feels right, and stands its ground as the new standard in concealable, lightweight, high-capacity personal protection. The MC2 Compact.
Introducing the Mossberg MC1 subcompact 9mm pistol. Engineered to be the ultimate concealed carry handgun. Its safety features and innovative design make it unique among other subcompacts. And because it's a Mossberg, you know it's built with reliability at the forefront. This subcompact pistol points extremely well and feels great in your hands. The optimized grip angle allows for easy targeting for both point of aim and point of impact, and the grip-to-bore axis ratio is ideal and delivers reduced muzzle rise and faster aim recovery. The MC1 SC will feel natural in your hand and delivers a positive, comfortable grip thanks to the palm swell. Grip panels are integrated with aggressive texturing for added control. The MC1 SC is ideal for concealment, and its slim D-horn profile allows for a snag-free draw. And at only 22 ounces fully loaded, its lightweight and durable polymer construction is perfect for everyday carry. The flat profile trigger is low stacking and has a crisp, clean break, which means less hand movement for a truer, more accurate shot. Two Mossberg clear count magazines are included, a 6-round flush fit and a 7-round extended magazine. They're made out of a lubricious polymer compound that offers low friction and high wear resistance. The MC1 SC was designed with Mossberg's no-pull trigger safe takedown system to help ensure safer disassembly. The oversized trigger guard delivers both improved safety and additional comfort. As an additional precautionary feature, the flat profile trigger is equipped with an integrated blade safety. There's also a model available with a reversible crossbolt safety. That's the MC1 SC from Mossberg. A feature-packed subcompact handgun designed and engineered to be the ultimate concealed carry pistol. For more information on the MC1 SC subcompact
In designing a competition-level shotgun for a family known for speed, it's not just a project, it's a lesson in family values. This speed demon is the all-new Mossberg 940JM Pro, and it not only cycles ultra quickly and cleanly, it puts on an absolute clinic. The all-new Mossberg 940JM Pro, custom shop performance straight out of the box, and the fastest path to the podium.